Greetings everyone. So here is how you can extract audio from a video. We will be using a VLC player to extract audio. If you do not have VLC, simply Google download VLC. This is the official site. Simply download it and install it. I already have installed it, so we'll skip this part. Let me open the VLC player. So this is the video from which we will extract the audio from. Anyway, click on Media and click on Convert Save and click on Add. Navigate where your video is. For us it is here. Then click on the small button next to Convert Save. Click on Convert and in the profile, make sure to choose audio-mp3. Now choose the destination folder. Browse where you want to keep it. I'll keep it on the desktop. And give any name you want. Save and start. And this is the progress bar. So it is done. And now here is the audio.
Greetings everyone. Post about portable one. To save
So
it.
here is our audio file only. Thank you very much.